Good morning, everyone. We're going to be presenting textile dyeing. What exactly is textile dyeing and why is it important? Textile dyeing, simply put, is just the transfer of color to fabrics to add permanent and long-lasting color to the fabrics. This goes a long way to enhance the outlook of the fabric. This can be done by hand or using machines. There are basically two main types of dyes in the textile industry. We have natural and synthetic dyes. Natural dyes are extracted from plants, animals, and mineral resources, while synthetic dyes are made in laboratories from coal tar or petroleum-based substances. It should be noted that synthetic dyes was discovered in 1856 by a British chemist. Since then, it has dominated the market due to the fact that it has a lasting color and a range of color choices and is also less costly. What's the current situation? The current textile dyeing processes and materials used in the process is environmentally not sustainable. There is high use of toxic chemicals and large amounts of water goes into the process. Large amount of wastewater is also being generated from textile dyeing, and this causes environmental pollution. Synthetic dyes are mostly used nowadays in this industry. There is about 10,000 different types of dyes in the industry, and about 800,000 tons of synthetic dye is produced annually. Here you find a chart of the classification of various dyes, but I'm not going to go deep into these. If you want to read more about it, you can go to this website to get more information about the various dyes types. Synthetic dyes are also being marketed in different forms. We have liquid, powder, paste, or granular forms. There is a huge market for textile dyes, and this was estimated at US dollar 16.91 billion in 2020, and it is expected to rise to 22.39 billion in 2025. Dyeing fabrics basically involves three processes. That's the preparation, the dyeing stage, and the finishing. And in this process, about 2% to 50% of dye is lost during the process, depending on the class of dye being used. These processes and techniques have not really changed much over the past decades. One of the most dyed fabric in the industry is the polyester, due to its attractive properties such as recyclability, cost effectiveness, and others.